Justice Leonard, senior advocate of Nigeria. Yeah. Former Deputy Speaker.
Move to the rebuttal. Leaders of the state, former president.
Covenant best assembly, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
I, Nagatima Gabriel Kiel, do solemnly swear.
Let me first of all congratulate the newly sworn-in judges for their elevation to High Court judges. It is not easy. So many people had applied, and you are successful, 4 of you. So let me extend on behalf of my family greetings to you and congratulations for this appointment. And we have to be sworn in the eve of the Christmas. It's like a Christmas gift. We felt that no need to leave it till next year. So let it be that you are going home, you are going to New Year as a judge of the High Court of Rivers State. But frankly speaking, yes, you have been appointed as a judge, but again, there are responsibilities for it. Some of you are private legal practitioners. 2 of you were former chief magistrates. As private legal practitioners, you are used to blaming judges, not sitting on time, not being serious with their work. But by the grace of God, you have joined the league, so you sit on time, and then take your work very, very serious, and make sure judgments are given the way when you are a private legal practitioner, the way you see that when a date is fixed, and there shouldn't be excuses for the judgment is not ready. So that has been your campaign. So now you're in the league, make sure there's no necessary adjournment when judgments have been fixed to be given. But this is a very difficult period we're in now. And unfortunately, the judiciary has not helped in protecting their own. I'm happy the deputy chairman of the NJC is here, so that they will take the message back home. If what is going on now is not being stopped by the NJC, I can assure you, no political matter will go before any judge, and that judge will have any courage to handle such matter. The intimidation by NJC on these judges is quite alarming. And I have to say it clearly. If you don't give your judges to do what they're supposed to do, then let us better forget that in 2023 that we'll have it easy. From next year, it will be very turbulent. And so matters will come before judges, allow them to dispense the way they think it is. And that is why there's always an appeal. But the moment that any judge gives a decision, we politicians, we must always write petition that you cannot take it away. No politician loses any case and thinks that there's nothing that went wrong. Every political cases will be read with political connotations. So you must have to protect their judges. Politicians are used to writing, even when we know it is not correct. We can say, let us write and try our luck. Anything can happen. And that anything that can happen is because we believe there are those in authority that will listen to us. And that is not the way it's supposed to be. That also does not mean that some judges who don't have the spine to do their work, looking for excuses not to do their work. But when they say the political matter or any constitutional matter, they run away. That is not the way it's supposed to be. I've told everybody who cares, but once in a position of this nature, don't expect that everybody will be happy with you. Don't expect that everybody will be happy with you. You are not supposed to look into anybody's face. Your own is wear your glasses as if you don't see anybody and do your work. After that, you remove your glasses. If anybody calls you, say, I'm sorry, I didn't know that you were there. You know. So please, 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 it is important. And take your job very seriously. You are the one who applied for it, and you are now lucky that you'll be given. Do the work for the interest of the rich man and the poor person. It is no longer for the poor. It is now for the rich and the poor. So it will be better for us, for the betterment of the society. 2022, 2023 is a turbulent year. It's a political turbulent year that everybody has to sit up and do the right thing, irrespective of whoever is involved. It's very, very important. So it is good, and I'm happy that 4 of you are very young. And so the sky is their limit, you know. So let me once more congratulate you and wish all of you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Unfortunately, we are cancelling the New Year banquet because of the way this wave of this COVID is getting out of hand. Yes, it may not be deadly, but we still have to be very, 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 very careful. We have to be very careful. Every day we have not less than 100 cases every day, and that is not the best for us.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.